Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Tech. Are you in a situation that you want to still use Windows 10 even that the support has ended actually on 14th of October? So basically Windows 10 has reached the end of support, and at this point technical assistance, features updates and security updates is no longer provided. If you have a device running Windows 10, it is recommended upgrading them to Windows 11, a more modern, secure, and highly efficient computing experience. If devices do not meet technical requirements to run on Windows 11, Microsoft recommends that you can enroll to Windows 10 Consumer Extended Security Updates program or replace the device with one that supports Windows 11. Let's see what exactly are the options now that Microsoft has ended the support for Windows 10. Alright, so I'm gonna talk about two main solutions that you have now once Windows 10 support is ended. So my recommendation is not to keep it without an extended security update program. So you have the first option, change the operating system. Probably I have seen this in many of my videos. People are moving to Linux or Unix or Ubuntu whatsoever. This is open source and that's one of the options that you can try, but it depends how adaptive you are to the different kind of user interface. That's the first thing that you can try. The second thing is that you install Windows 11 on your current PC. If you don't want to change the PC, then you just have to watch another video that I have done how to upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11, even that the computer doesn't satisfy the minimum system requirements for Windows 11. Just some play around with a registry editor and you will be able to upgrade to Windows 11 after you change those settings. Alright, the second recommendation for Microsoft is to just change the PC, but yeah, alright, that's not so easy. If I'm having a computer that is working, why not just stick around with it? Good. So the next one is just to go over extended security updates program. So Microsoft provides you a possibility to get the updates for the security by enrolling to the security update program, which actually right now it's for free basically until next October. You don't have to worry in terms of security. And for the support, you just practically can come on my YouTube channel, and over there you can find everything that you need regarding the computers, Windows 11 and Windows 10. Normally, in order to enroll in extended security updates, you just have to update your computer to the latest version and take all the updates that you need, and then it should pop up a window like this which will tell Windows 10 support ends in October, enroll in extended security updates to help keep your device secure. Some people are not getting this yet, but you probably have to wait a bit because it has been distributed based on the regions. But also I'm seeing that in my computer, which satisfies the minimum Windows 11 requirements, it's not popping that up, but it's still popping up Windows 11 version 25H2. The next version of Windows is available with new features and security improvements. So just pushing me to get the Windows 11, but for now I'm not still getting that. So yeah, so these are the main options or the main things that you can do now that Windows 10 has ended their support. Enroll to extended security updates program. That's the first one. Second one, update to Windows 11. Actually, it's not so bad, to be honest. You're just gonna get used with it, and many of the issues that you may have are fixable in the same way how it's fixed on Windows 10. So alright, so it was released in a couple of years before, so practically it has been tested and everything should be fine now with Windows 11. That's all that I wanted to share with you guys today. I hope you liked this video, and please subscribe to our channel to get the latest news on IT. Thank you.